I bought these new lawnmower blades for my mower, and these things aren't even flat. I don't understand it. If you look here, you can see if it's flat in the center, it's curved out towards the edge. Look at that. This thing would be cutting grass at like an arch. You see when you put it on the concrete here, none of it sits flat. This cutting edge and this cutting edge back here should be flat. Look at the old one. Completely flat, completely flat. So when you're cutting, it spins on a perfect horizontal plane. These are arched, every single one of them, all three of them. If I stand on them, they'll flatten down. You see there, that's how it should be, flat. But they won't stay that way. I don't know if it's just a bad batch of blades or if that's what these are supposed to be like, but I don't like it. I'm sending them back.